Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Goodreads and import into StoryGraph step by step. First, open the web browser on your iPhone like Safari or Chrome. Go to the Goodreader website and log into your account. Tap on your profile picture in the corner, then tap Account Setting. Scroll down until you see Export Library. Tap it and Goodreads will prepare your file. When it's ready, download the file. This file is called a CSV file. It contains all your book, rating and data. Now open the StoryGraph, log into your StoryGraph account and go to the setting. Tap on Import Data, choose Import from Goodreads. Tap Choose File and select the Goodreads CSV file you downloaded. Then tap Upload. StoryGraph will start importing your data. This may take a few minutes if you have lots of books. Once the import is finished, your book rating and reading history will appear in StoryGraph. You will also receive an email when the process is completed. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.